Guys, over here are Francois langurs. The Francois langur scientific name is Crucipius francoides. He has them in southeast China to central and Laos and Vietnam. The Francois langur eats mostly leaves. It has a large stomach in which the chewed leaves ferment and are slowly digested. Females give birth to one infant, and the care of the newborn may be shared by several other females, not just the mother. Babies are bright orange when born. At about 3 months of age, the color begins to change to black.